Elon Musk, CEO of Tesla, stated that the automaker may develop a small electric boat for the Giga Texas public park, dubbed an ecological paradise. The remarks came after documents revealed that Tesla is expanding its factory by 500,000 square feet, confirming the existence of the ecological paradise. Welcome to Tech Heaven, and in this video we'll take a look at everything you need to know about Tesla's electric boat for Giga Texas public park. Tesla's newest factory, located in Austin, Texas, opened some time ago. It is currently ramping up production, but that does not mean the project is finished. Tesla appears to be constantly working on and upgrading its sites, and this is true even of older properties. Giga Texas is currently working on the promised ecological paradise, among other ongoing projects. For those who are unaware, the land on which the Tesla's Texas factory is located is vast. It's also on a river, and it's been suggested that it could serve as a sort of nature preserve. When Tesla announced its plans for the factory, it stated that there would be a public park on the grounds. Tesla filed a permit to expand Giga Texas by 12 acres, or more than 500,000 square feet. According to the documents, Tesla applied for an increase in its limits of construction in terms of both acreage and square footage. Its new application listed 280 acres, up from 268 acres, and 12,196,800 square feet, up from 11,674,080 square feet. Musk confirmed that the Giga Texas expansion would pave the way for the ecological paradise he mentioned when Tesla announced the Austin factory. However, Musk stated that the plant will need to be more financially secure before it begins developing the land specifically for the project. However, the application itself indicates that Tesla is undoubtedly preparing. The Tesla CEO then revealed more information about the ecological paradise's design. Musk stated that the trail showcasing the natural beauty of Austin's city limits will eventually extend to downtown Austin, so you can walk, bike, or kayak. Musk also hinted that Tesla could create small electric Tesla boats with a retro-futuristic Victorian design. Some of Musk's Twitter followers even showed designs of what the CEO's description could potentially lead to. There have been numerous renders of potential Tesla boats in the past, but the company has never formally committed to building watercraft, despite what you may read or see online. Musk has mentioned it in the past, but Tesla is currently preoccupied with its current product lineup, manufacturing improvements, and ramping up its 2 new production plants. It is unlikely that any developments regarding a Tesla boat will occur for at least a few years. It's not unreasonable to believe that Musk would be interested as well. He still has his Lotus Esprit S1, the underwater vehicle featured in the 1977 James Bond film The Spy Who Loved Me. During the 2019 shareholders meeting, Musk also stated, "You can actually have a submarine car, it's technically possible. I believe there will be a small market for this, small but vivacious. It would be a bit of a distraction, but perhaps we'll build one as a show car." By the way, if you're watching us for the first time, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you can enjoy our future videos while getting updated. Getting back to the topic, the CEO apparently just wanted people to know that Tesla is still planning to build the paradise. Musk has a lot of crazy plans that he does not always follow through on. In this case, he observes that the area is beautiful, but the emphasis must first be on the factory itself. If there were any doubts about the planned park on the factory grounds, Musk confirmed that it would be built. The increase in both built structure and park-like surroundings was part of a September 20 filing with the City of Austin Housing and Planning Department. According to the application, the company is proposing revision to a previously approved site plan. According to the company's website, the area is still 2,500 acres large, with over 10 million square feet of factory floor. Tesla first revealed the Giga Texas in previous years, and it is the most recent location of the company's massive manufacturing plants, which will focus on producing a large number of EVs. Musk previously invited the public to its grand opening party, which took place in April, with the tech CEO busting some moves. Gigafactory Texas is located on Austin's far eastern outskirts near the Colorado River and the 130 freeway. The Austin plant site was previously a sand and gravel quarry operated by Martin Marietta that resembled 2,000 acres of craters, according to Richard Shuttle, a local attorney at an August 2020 meeting of Austin's Water Oversight Committee. "You should see what sand and gravel mining does to a piece of property. It looks like a moonscape." In less than 2 years, this site went from a dirt lot to its cyber rodeo opening party. Hayfields that stretch into the distance are now extremely valuable. As August progressed, Musk and Tesla were able to meet their goal of producing 1,000 electric vehicles per week, with its supply chain centered on the Model Y EVs for public release. The plant intends to expand its production rate in the future, particularly with cutting-edge casting machines that will deliver on the EV's unibody shell. Tesla intends to manufacture the Cybertruck at Gigafactory Texas sometime next year. Musk stated that the vehicle's design was completed earlier this year. Giga Texas is also the location where future Cybertrucks are expected to be released to the public in the coming year. Elon Musk has now made public additional information about Tesla's Giga Texas future expansion plans, including the addition of a massive piece of land to its revised site plans for utilization. It will be next level and open to the public, extending from south of the current Gigafactory down to the river behind it. It is an entirely new venture for Musk and Tesla because no other Gigafactories have seen an expansion that would transform the space and make it available to all visitors. This filing comes on the heels of several other Gigafactory Texas expansion projects that Tesla has planned in the last year. Tesla filed a request to expand General Assembly 2 and General Assembly 3 by 500,000 square feet in late June. In addition, Tesla filed for a 68.11-acre plot adjacent to the factory in mid-July. It was labeled a production support area. The most recent development occurred in mid-August, when Tesla's application to construct a massive battery energy storage system at Gigafactory Texas was approved. The project is described as a 53.27-acre land parcel that will house Tesla Megapacks that will support the energy grid by storing excess energy generated by solar panels. While Tesla has filed for an increase in acreage and square footage, this does not imply that the factory will be expanded in the near future. Tesla may be planning to give itself more real estate to work with in the future, especially if it plans to expand the Giga Texas campus. The Giga Texas expansion would create a boardwalk that would extend all the way to downtown Austin, and it will be more accessible to the public in the near future. Aside from focusing on electric vehicles and other Tesla technology, Gigafactory Texas would also serve as a future tourist hub, open to the public for leisure, gatherings, and other activities. The river behind it would be used as a boardwalk, with users able to rent electric boats and cruise around it in retro-futuristic Victorian style. With the Gigafactory nearly complete and already producing cars, climate activists and local residents wondered if the ecological paradise vision was more of a pipe dream than a reality. Would renting the boats be expensive? Would autopilot be available? It will be fascinating to see how this ecological paradise pans out. It could be fantastic if Tesla could also rent out bicycles. To be honest, we could come up with a slew of really cool ideas. However, we do not anticipate anything happening in the near future. Tesla will need plenty of time to ramp up vehicle and battery production first. And with that being said, it's time to end our video. But before that, we'd like to know, what are your views about the Tesla electric boat? Let us know in the comments. Like this video and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this. We'll see you in the next video.